So this is a public service announcement from the Rideshare Hub. I felt that it was my duty as the creator of this channel, the Rideshare Hub, to speak out and make an announcement to Uber, Lyft, any rideshare companies, but especially Uber and Lyft drivers as well as passengers. I wanted to just basically tell drivers to stop driving for Uber and Lyft for the time being. Because of the coronavirus, it is getting very serious. The number of people infected with the coronavirus in several countries throughout the world, including countries like Italy, China, other countries. I am not an expert on the coronavirus, but I do want to say that especially in the United States, it is getting worse, and there are precautionary measures that we do need to take. And I think that it is time for Uber and Lyft drivers to stop giving rides. It is just does not make sense to continue giving rides. I cannot find any reason why Uber and Lyft should be going on right now. They're just by the sake that we don't know the extent that this coronavirus could take effect on individuals in the United States, and especially in the United States. Obviously Uber and Lyft is worldwide, but I cannot imagine that many Uber and Lyft drivers are very active in Europe right now. It's getting worse and worse over there, especially in the United States. I think for the time being though, it would not be smart if I had my friend come to me and ask me, hey Dylan, should I be driving Uber right now? I would say no, stay at home, don't drive for Uber, find other means of income. I don't really know, honestly. This is another thing that I am worried about. I mean, I'm even like, I don't even want to touch my face right now. That's literally how bad it is. I don't want to leave my house. UCLA is canceled. All classes are remote. All classes at UC Berkeley are remote. At most schools that I'm seeing on social media, schools are remote right now. Finals are canceled. I'm not going to my gym. My family's not going to the gym. I'm not going out to any restaurants. I'm not going out to eat. I'm not going to any music festivals. Ultra Miami just got canceled. Coachella just got postponed 6 months to October, which I don't even know if that's gonna happen. I don't know a lot about vaccinations, but I do know that they take a lot of time in testing, and usually at least up to a year that the coronavirus vaccine would even be out. And I mean, some people were saying that it could be out as early as June, which is extremely fast. If you know anything about vaccination testing, which I don't, but do let me know if you do know, but I do believe that it takes some time because you do need to test it on rats, like on animals and stuff, and then to a small testing group of people, then to a slightly larger testing group of people, but still small, until it can be actually introduced into the public. But with this whole thing, I mean, some of the biggest concerns obviously are health and safety, people. Another big concern is the economy. People are going to be out of jobs. Why? Because people are not going to be spending money. Companies are not going to be able to be making money. You've seen the stock market go down. Uber and Lyft drivers are not going to be creating money for them. So, you know, Uber will have to, I don't know, like schools, like restaurants, people are not going to be going out to eat. Companies will not be able to pay rent for their, you know, office space. People are just, I mean, there's so many manufacturing companies. My buddy had to shut his business down because he got all of his products from China, which Donald Trump just put a hold on anybody traveling into United States from Europe. I think except for the United Kingdom, I'm pretty sure. That was just announced today. The NBA is on hold right now. There's no games going on. The government is urging people not to engage in any public gatherings, which is just absolutely insane. I've been reading articles in Italy right now. Nobody's even going outside. People are saying it sounds like an apocalypse. I just read or was watching a video of people in China, a nurse or a doctor in China saying that she's been working all day. There are not enough beds to accommodate people. There's not enough doctors to accommodate all the people with coronavirus, and it's getting worse and worse. And she said that it's way, way worse inside than they're reporting on the media. There's way too many people. They have to turn people down. They can't accommodate everyone. There's not enough beds to accommodate people. That's going on in China. What is it going on in the United States? Each day, guys, today that I'm filming this, it's Wednesday night, on Thursday morning around 12 midnight. I wanted to get this up to you guys. Yes, I want to urge Uber and Lyft drivers to stop driving. I don't care. This is our livelihood at hand. What does it matter if you're gonna go out and make a couple $100? It is not worth it. You're gonna have people coming in your car. You don't know where they've been. You don't know, you don't want to be picking up people from the hospital. What are you gonna be turning down every single person that you think might have the coronavirus or who might be sick? This is a different type of disease or flu or whatever illness because it's spread simply through touching. It's not like saliva only contact. It's like coughing, sneezing on somebody. You could, somebody gets in your car, coughs in your car's not infected, you could easily get it. Hand sanitizer, get your hand sanitizer. Don't touch your face, wash your hands. Sanitizer is sold out. Toilet paper is sold out. It's absolutely crazy. This is not something to be taken lightly, and I just wanted to say, I think for the time being, at least for the next 30 days, if you're an Uber and a Lyft driver, do not go out and drive. Stay at home. I don't know, whatever you have to do, find other means of income. If you're doing this as a way to pay off debt, as a way to do side hustle, put that on hold. Postpone your debt or whatever you're trying to do and think about yourself, think about your family. If you are a full-time Uber and Lyft driver, I would seriously consider finding something else, finding another means of income. I don't know what that is, and again, even right now, there's so many people going to be looking for jobs soon, so get on that right now. Get on that now, because think about what it's gonna be like in 1 or 2 months. Their companies will not be making hardly any money, and they're not gonna be hiring, and there's gonna be so many people wanting jobs because people need to pay their rent and their bills and stuff. It's crazy. I'm freaking out. I'm concerned about myself, my family, my friends, my livelihood. I'm not even, I don't even know if I'm thinking straight. I'm not leaving my house. I'm not, unless I absolutely have to. I don't want to risk my livelihood, not until this all boils over, or if it does, we don't know, guys. This is something that we haven't dealt with before. I personally haven't. I haven't been alive to deal with something this big yet. I have never in my life had to, go to the store and go get supplies, go get canned goods, just in case. Stores are literally running out of food and essential items. So yes, for the sake of our livelihood, guys, I know we are community together. We need to stand strong right now. This is not a time to joke. This is not a time to make a coronavirus skit video, prank video. I know at the beginning it was all fun and games, and I don't blame anyone for making those skit videos or whatever, because we didn't know the severity of it. And maybe in a couple months it will be a joke. Oh, remember when everyone... But it's not. People are dying. This is not a joke. There's nothing to joke around about. And you know what? Sure, I will just say, don't make a joke video. Please don't make a coronavirus joke video. There's people dying from this. This is nothing to joke about at all. So yeah, I just have to say, guys, just stay safe out there. be there for your family. Yes, I am putting ads on this video because I'm not going out and driving for Uber and Lyft right now, and I do need the money. So I'm sorry, but like, I have to look out for myself and my family too. I have a family to support, I have myself to support, and at the end of the day, you know, I can't go out and make Uber and Lyft money, so I'm gonna have to put ads on my videos. And hopefully, I don't know, hopefully, I don't even know, guys, I can't even talk. I have to go. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do to take my precautionary measures, and I suggest you all do the same. Thanks for watching. Bye.